The term state occupies the highest place and central theme in the study of political science. The modern term state is derived from the word status, earlier used by the German tribe Teutons. The Greeks used the word polis to denote the city-state, and Romans used the term civitatis, which means state. It was the Italian scholar Machiavelli who used the term state in political science in the modern sense. In political science, the term state, we mean an association of people who live within a geographical area under an organized government and subject to no outside control. In 4th century BC, Aristotle, who is regarded as father of political science, had defined state. According to him, state is a union of families and villages having for its end a perfect and self-sufficing life, by which we mean a happy and honorable life. Dr. J. W. Garner, as a concept of political science. The state is a community of persons more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory, independent or nearly so, of external control and possessing an organized government to which the great body of inhabitants render habitual obedience. Professor Harold Lasky. The state is a territorial society divided into government and subjects claiming within its allotted physical area a supremacy over all other institutions. If we analyze the two definitions, we can identify 4 elements which are essential to make a state. These are I, population, EA, territory, AA, government, IV, sovereignty. Elements of the state as noted. State has 4 constituent elements: 1. Population, 2. Territory, 3. Government, 4. Sovereignty. Each of these elements needs to be studied properly. 1. Population. We cannot imagine a state without population. How much population is an issue that can be debated. For example, India is overpopulated state whereas Austria is underpopulated state. This issue has engaged the attention of scholars from time immemorial. Aristotle was talking of optimum population, small enough to be well governed and big enough to be self-sufficient. But there is no denying the fact that without population, there is no state. 2. Territory. Like without population, we cannot think of a state without territory. A state can exercise its authority over well-defined territory. Fixed territory is necessary for legal purpose. For emotional purpose, people need to have a fixed territory which they call motherland or fatherland. Territory is so important that normally there are disputes over borders between 2 states. For example, India and Pakistan have dispute about Kashmir. India and China has dispute about Arunachal Pradesh. Fixed, well-defined territory is also necessary for legal purpose. A state has control over land. However, there are some exceptions to the importance of territory as a constituent element of state. Some nomadic tribes wander from region to region. They have no fixed territory. Similarly, the Jewish people had no territory of their own till 1948. These are exceptions, not the rule. 4. Government. Government is that agency which steers the ship of the state. Without government, state will be directionless. Here the form of government does not matter. It could be presidential system, one-party rule or even dictatorship. There has to be a government. In other words, government is nothing but the implementing arm of state. Government is that system through which state expresses its will. The government makes law, punishes lawbreakers, promotes welfare of people. 4. Sovereignty. Scholars believe that sovereignty is the soul of state. Before the 15th of August 1947, India had territory, population, and government. But it did not have sovereignty. It shows the importance of sovereignty. It has two aspects, I, internal, and EA, external. In internal sovereignty, the state has ultimate, unlimited power within its territory. It enjoys final control over all people, associations, and other things. Under external sovereignty, it means a state is free from external control. It can enter into international treaties. Some scholars believe that after UNO was formed in 1945, and more specifically after the age of globalization began in 1991, the scope of external sovereignty has shrunk considerably. Please like my video, share, and follow for more videos. Thanks for all of you.